the compulsory review of the DG. Let the truth take its course. We had been able, when we are working together with him, we had brought the fatality solo that but in December, it is in record that we had no single fatality of PSV vehicles on our roads. And therefore, we will do the board clear the proper investigation of the DG. Let what we have been saying, that in his tenure of 3 years, the death has increased to over 18,000 people and over 50,000 people getting maimed. So let the truth be told, because it is not about somebody by name. It is about road safety on our roads.
We are saying, who are killing our people? It is the people who have been given the responsibility of that job who are not doing it. And now we want everybody to take responsibility. We thank the board, and we are promising them that we are with them. We are going to work with them. To tell the DG, he had his chance in 3 years. And since he entered there, our rate of accident, when he was getting in that office, it was 2,800. He has left that office when we are losing 6,000 Kenyans a year. Even himself, he should think, is he performing? Is he fighting for just to get money? We know he has been one of the most corrupt DG we have ever had. Even if the DG is gone, or we say the DG is gone, the vehicles are still on the road. But now if we want to save our people, there must be a proper therapy. We need the new DG, the acting DG, the acting director of road safety. We need to have a proper sitting, even with the board, because there is no way the board will work without stakeholders. So that we try to bring, to navigate and see what is supposed to be done. Because yesterday we lost other 5 people. We know very well what is killing our people. We have said that our people are dying because